Hello guys! It's been a really long day today because the whole day it was just all about where to park our car because apparently very seldom people speaks English here, so it's really difficult to communicate. So we had to find a parking place first to make sure we don't get a penalty or something like that, and we found a place and then we walked like 30 minutes going back here, and our hotel is like at the back of this where there's a lot of restaurants. So now we're having a break, sitting down first and drinking water. I'm drinking water, he's drinking Pepsi. So because we've been walking like 30 minutes and
No, we have not been working.
well, in my eyes it's 30 minutes.
Because you got short legs.
Yeah. And of course, right, it's like a bit stressful because we have to use Google Map, how to go home and all that. But, well, everything's fine. It's nice. Now we're relaxing, enjoying, watching people, and yeah, beautiful day.
How boring I am.
Oh, really?
Goddamn Pepsi.
Oh, well, you're getting old. The city in the evening.
This is the old town.
The old town. There's a lot of restaurants and a lot of people full of life. It's actually very cozy, you know? Cozy, cozy.